Hello, hi traders, welcome to my channel. It's Ngain here. Thank you very much for walking through my YouTube channel Ngain's Passionate Tips Trader. If you find trading difficult and looking for solutions to grow your trading career, or if you are new in this field and looking to get started, I am here to share all my experiences that I have learned so far. I do not know why I feel that you have landed at the right place here with me, because I have been exploring this niche and found no secrets behind it, but it's all only the ultimate summation of some sets of criterion that I passionately wanted to share with you. The good news is that the time starts now. I don't think you need to keep on losing and draw down your account anymore from now on. I have already crossed that barrier where I lost and failed for years and lots of money. So I think you can use my experiences in order that skip away that unwanted tragedy that used to be faced by all successful traders. If we really wanted to maximize our achievements out of trading forex market with edges of negligible stop losses and best of the best risk rewards technical analysis consistently, then there is no shortcut process or any get-rich-quick schemes available in trading. But I have a ton of market characteristic experiences after extremely and extensively spending years on chart price actions when most traders don't have that kind of time like I did being full-time trader. That is the reason why I have created this channel, in order to help others minimize the time and expenses during learning trading. We will dig deep down the field to sophisticate our strategy with all the tools available to implement in the chart for our technical as well as fundamental analysis. So if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon below. Make sure to comment if there is anything you would like to ask me. I upload videos every time I am free and when anytime there is opportunity in the market to help you and yourself and myself growing our trading career. Thank you very much for watching my video. Let us learn all valuable things, all valuable subjects together in my channel. Keep in touch, guys.